Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Another day in the market. I know I'm late, but I'm not on the East Coast, so got a little jet lag going on. But here go your plays for the day. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right, let's get to it. Y'all see the market selling off, man. This market right now is about crazy. World economy is crazy, but it is what it is. Got to trade the market that we are in. We about to go get these dividends though. It's a lot of dividend buys out here and some growth stocks too. So let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Um, let's get to it. Let's start with give y'all these growth stocks real quick. Just go down my list. We got Meta, which is Facebook. Got down to $609.55. Y'all hear some people in the background. I'm at somebody's house, man. So I'm in the room with some privacy, but it is what it is. Anyway, go get you some Meta, man. $609.55 today. Got a 52-week half of $796.25. Go get you some of that. For a long-term hold, go get some NVDA. Also in buy range there. Got down to $180.01. And it's got a 52-week high of 212 bucks. They can say video gonna go back to 250. We'll go to the 250, 260 range. All right. Swing trading Ready Capital. Last week I sold some of this at $2.13. Brought some today at $1.75 and all this year. I have a switch over to my individual. Average cost of $2.05. Like I said, I'm buying this right now at these prices. When it go back to the $2 range, I'm gonna sell it, rinse and repeat. If you out of this one, do not get into it. Matter of fact, I'm about to go get some more. I bought some at I think I put in 174 today. And we're gonna go in at 174. 174. I'm gonna pick up another 5 shares at this price here. All right, we're gonna go with OXLC. This also one came on down. Got down to $8.15. They add me some fractional shares on here. For March, it's paying 40 cents a share a month. For April, gonna reduce it down to 20 cents. So just for you know, I added $5 worth. I'm gonna get another 2 while I'm right here online with you. Got PSEC, Prospect Capital. $2.59. It's got down to I'm in a good spot at $2.79. I could buy some more to lower my average cost, but I'm gonna see maybe if it get down to about that 250-ish range. 52-week low is $2.45. And probably add me another 250 shares, but this does pay out 4.5 cents a share every month. So I might go and get, so I need to lower it in another portfolio, the position I have in my Charles Schwab. That's really the one I was buying PSEC in. Sorry, gonna go with YMAX. $8.31 got down to. I definitely had some fractional shares on here. $5 here, $2 here, $3 there. While I'm here, add another $2 while I'm online with y'all. Go with YMAG. Got down to $12.44. I added like $3 on. We'll get another $2 while I'm here. I don't load up on nothing, man. Just add these, accumulate these shares. That's why my average cost is, which is not high, but so high, $13.60, because I've been loading up on stuff. I learned with these yield maxes, man, just dollar cost average on in when it's in your buy zone, and that's it. When it's not, don't even touch it. Just wait on it to pull back. QQQY also pay out every week. This gonna go back past the $22 mark. Things get good back to 23 bucks. Brought 2 to 12, 10 bucks already. Gonna get another 2 right here. IWMY. Options on the Russell 2000 got down to 18.22. It's gonna go back past the $19 mark. We'll add some more of this on. Also pays out every week. Got ACHR, Arca Aviation down to 603. Definitely at price to gobble this here up. You know what? Get $50 worth. $6. Just a long-term hold. 52-week high is $14.62. So I'm going to dollar cost average down in that one also. I was going to get 100, but I'm going to leave 50 for me to be playing with for later. KLIP, paid 58 cents a share for this month. Definitely one to have and hold. Made a new 52-week low like last week when its oil stuff went up, 26.21. 52-week high, 34.31. Already got 10 bucks of that for the day. SVOL, $15.90. This pays 30 cents a share every month. I'm at 302 shares at $16.34 now. Definitely one of my favorites. Just gonna run back past the $17 mark. I'm thinking about hitting a swing trade on this one. PMT is one I need to add on to in another portfolio of mine. It's at 1166. I'm going to add a little fractional share on it. These prices here. That's a REIT, quarterly paying REIT. Nice REIT to have. We got ticker ACP. Pays out every month. $5.26. At 5.32, this pays out, I think, like 7.5, 8 cents a share every month. So I'm at 5.26, 5.32. This usually plays around the $5.60 mark, $5.60 mark. We're gonna go with OPP. $7.69, $7.72. Nice one to have too for monthly income. Like I say, not loading up, just buying the pullback. Another one pay out every month. PCF. All these are like closed-end funds. $5.60. $5.62. Make $5.99. ARR. I'm a residential REIT. Had not earnest, but ex-dividend date. Just came up 17.13. I'm at 15.14, 24 cents a share a month. I know some of y'all probably still upside down in that one. We got Hood. I did get an order in for 5 shares on this one. As you know, I was buying this in the low 70s and selling it between 78 and 82 bucks whenever it does squeeze. So gonna buy these fractional shares right here to keep. Get $10 worth. I'm gonna sell the 5 shares and go up. Just want to lower my average cost. Now I'm at 85 bucks. So I'm gonna continue to do this till I can get in the $70 range. Wendy's shot up and came down quick. Man, I'm supposed to put a sell limit order for 100 shares at 7.32. Hit 7.40 and came down to 6.99. So I put a Buy limit order in at that on Wendy's. I got 100 shares. They're closing down a bunch of locations that are not in profit, so they're gonna be turning down the company, operating a little leaner. So if you want some, put your buy limit order in at $6.99. One of my favorite monthly payers with the S&P 500 is Spit. Definitely went and got some of this at $16.50 today. At $16.53. We'll add some more to that. Dollar cost averaging on this one, bringing down my average cost. I'm at $17.27 now. This gonna go back past the $17 mark, up in the $17.40-ish range. PFLT, pennant float, 10.2 cents a share every month. Just add a little bit of this on every day. Definitely while it's in buy range. I'm gonna buy 5 to 25 shares a week at the weekly low. HRZN, Horizon Technology. It reduces dividend from 11 cents to 6 cents a share every month. Got down to 4.9, right now it's at 4.10. Thought about trying to hit a swing trade on this one because people gonna come buying this because they upside down in it. So when it go up, just try to make me a little 10 to 12 cents a share. Just doing it to lower my average cost. KHC Kraft Heinz got down to 22.29 today. Definitely a nice little loading zone. 52-week low is 21.98. I'm gonna go get me some at that price. It's actually a stock I'm trying to get up out of. But people are gonna buy it just for the dividend. Which the dividend right now is 7.17% yield. All right, GIS next, General Mills. Another one is getting handled. Dividend yield 6.17% right now. So that's one to get if you want to. I would say stay out of it. I don't like the food. I don't like what they sell. All the stuff they sell is processed food with sugar and high carbs and stuff I would not eat. That XLF, definitely one to get. 52-week highs in the $56 range, $56.52. SRLN pays 25.28 cents a share every month, down to 39.97. Trades between the 39.08 and 41.67. It's basically for monthly income without taking a lot of risks. You got SoFi, this bank stock for the future. Definitely adding a little bit on at this price here too. Ticker DEA. Been trading sideways for the longest. They rent out buildings to the federal government, 9.09% quarterly yield. Go add a piece of this on also. Got AMZ and Amazon. Definitely want to add on 52-week highs, $260. They diving into AI, so definitely a play to have. And because people just going to use Amazon in general. And Amazon Prime, got Netflix. 52-week highs, $134. You shoot at Netflix. GOF closing fund, 18 cents a share a month. Got down to $10.91 today. I put the order in for 3 shares at that price. RPT is up and down. Just pay out every quarter. So if you want monthlies, I just stick to the monthlies. I do want dividends, do like the YMAX or the YMAG, or do the SPYT. But I need to come down in this one. This is gonna be a swing trade for me. Go back up, I'm gonna be out of it. I got ticker MED Metafast, definitely one for you to stay out of. Let's go with earn. 8 cents a share every month, $4.49. Definitely building my position out in this one. Just gonna go back to $5.25 range. If y'all upside down in this one, Baxter BAX. It's not, just stay out of it. Got to send my Cash App portfolio. It's definitely one I'm gonna be getting out of too. They sell medical stuff. NCOF, man. Capital One. $177.28. 52 highs, 260. Definitely one to have also. Credit cards not going nowhere. People gonna stay in debt. Let's go check out traps. We can get on out of here. Some TCPC. Yeah, man, this market right now is crazy. I got out of RYLD. Gotta come down some more for me to touch that one. That'd be a nice swing trade if we can go to $14. Brandywine, just keeping that for the dividend. Need to swing trade that one also. Got TELUS, a Canadian communication company. 8.98% yield. 52-week high, 16.74. Not mistaken, they supposed to be getting in the data for AI and all that kind of stuff too. Also, yesterday I did take profits on Lionel Basel. I forgot to tell y'all about this one. Lionel Basel got up yesterday to made a new 52-week high, so it got up to 75.62. I got out at like 74 or something. I sold I took my initial profit out. I sold 26 shares at 74.31. And I got out the Dow, DOW. A Redwood Trust right here. All right, ticker TWO, Two Harbors, 80 We're going to call that 88% hold with a 12% buy, 16.5% dividend. Down to $8.99. It's going to be a nice swing trade here. And I'm going to go get some at market price. Thinking about when they go back past the $10 mark, just exit my position in general. Let me go back to 2. I didn't mean to do that. TWO. Oh. There we go. Want to snag some at market price also. Buying dollars. APLY $11.60. Doing options on Apple. APLY down mean Apple is down. Let's look at FSK. Remember, this been coming down, making new 52-week lows. At 10.12. Made a new one at 10.06. Keep that for the dividend. Damn, sun's coming down another 4%. You don't have this one, stay out of it. Got a 13.45% dividend yield. Some risk, some trust, balances out earnings with risk. Lower price target $11 from 12. Like I said, a lot of REITs and BDCs due to these interest rates, man, they getting beat down bad. I think next week they supposed to meet about the interest rate cut. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, PI 35.92. CHPY. WPay pay out every week, $34.95. $52-week low is $34.54. OXLC, we got that. That ARCA. That's everything there. Let me show you the Dow. Another one I did take profits on. Had a nice run on yesterday. 4.66% yield. They have reduced their dividend and stuff. 52-week high is $37.90. I sold 33 shares at $37.50. Made my exit, made $302 on that trade. Got out my initial investment. Let's check out Apple, because I was looking at APLY. Might be a reason to come and not load up on this, but see what Apple doing. Apple down 2.09% today. 52-week high, what, 288.62. That's what's going on now. But that's it, man. Enjoy y'all weekend. Stay safe. Go get your money.